Everyone always looked up to him, you know, because he was the writer and the poet. And so they always, I guess, felt that he was, you know, he had really achieved something. Not that they hadn't achieved, but that he had achieved something in a world that was not just as small as theirs. That he was, you know, always being invited places and traveled to Montreal and Israel, and I think he went to Argentina, but I'm not 100% sure. He just was a world-renowned name at that point, and you know, everybody felt very good. Even neighbors felt, oh, you know, the Feinberg family, we were sort of looked up to as not just being your normal family.